Hey guys, it's me again. It's Pearl. It's workout Wednesday day. Alright, so we're going to have a quick 15-minute workout, including a little bit of a warm-up, and of course Pearl talks too much. But before we do that, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. We have lots of tips of weight loss. I'm also sharing with you my journey for my tummy tuck. So I'm busy recovering, so I'm just getting back into my workout. It's feeling amazing. Do remember the disclaimer, guys. Make sure that you are cleared for training. Don't just go and try some workout. It could cause injury. So some of the exercises might be a little hard. Remember, everything gets hard. Everything is hard before it gets easier. Make sure that you don't have any colds or flus and things like that. And remember, you are working out at your own risk. So yes, let's have fun. Let's enjoy that workout. Make sure that you have a chair and some water in case you need it. We will be working a little bit of cardio, getting in that little bit of cardio, making sure that we work in our heartbeats, getting our cardio activity and cardio endurance up. We'll be doing a little bit of strength training, but most importantly, covering the areas that us women are always, scared and worthy, not too interested. What am I saying? All right, as I was saying, we're working out the areas that are going to give us the best form in our bodies, because we want the best looking bodies, right? Am I right, ladies? So yeah, let's get ready to work out. Here we go. Let's start our workout Wednesday. Right, we're going to start with a warm-up. Remember I said you have to do a warm-up before you do any form of exercise. I believe it's getting the heart rate up, getting the body ready for movement, and just enjoying your exercise. Right. So we're going to start with a quick warm-up. So we're going to step forward and back. Step forward and back. Let's go. 2. Nice. 3. Stepping out right. 4. Swing those arms. 5. 6. Let's go, ladies. Let's go, guys. 7. 8. 9. Now swap legs. Watch. 1. Almost coordination. Leading coordination. 2. Let's go. Push. 3. Can you get a bit up on your toes? Start working on those. Good. On his toes. Let me step back so you can see. Step back. Toes. 5. Good. 4. Good. Keep moving. 3. 2. Let's go. And 1. Good. Up and down. Up and down. Sit and down. Up and down. Up and down. Squat and down. 1. And down, 2, and squat. 3 more. 2, 3, and go. And squat. 1, down, 2, down. Are we starting to feel warmed up? Good. Let's march it out here. Fast. Nice and hard. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Let's go. 4, 3. You should be sweating a bit. You should be feeling warm. 2, 1. Right. Warm up those legs. I want you to go into some side of those legs. So you see, I don't want you to go into a full squat. I want you to go there. So you're just warming up those quads here. So we go. 1, 2. Sit low. 3. Don't look. 4, 5. Really warm it up. 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 9, 10. Stay there. 1, 2. Warm it up. 4, 5. Let's go. 6, 7, nice, 8, you feel it burning? 9, 10, let's get ready for back, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep moving. 6, good job. 8, 9, 10, get ready, stop. 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, lovely work, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful job. Now, if you have some water, you may have a sip of water. Remember having rest breaks in between. Hope everybody's nice and warm, ready to work out. Okay, guys, today we're going to be doing functional fitness. Getting ready to make those bodies stronger so that we can move through each day through our activities without a problem. So, let's start. When we did our first workout, we did simple workouts for post-op. I am still post-op. I have my waist trainer on to support, so if the ladies are joining me and you're all post-op, please ensure that you have proper support. Alright, We're going to start with our squat, and I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you, just make sure you got it right, and step back a little so you can see my feet. Feet are hip with the palm, right? When you do your squat, I want you to put, I find it means like push here, so that I don't want this to happen. We want to push that here. So we're going to go there. Got it? Watch, keep the weight on the heels. Please don't do this nice and hurt your knees, keep it back here. So pushing there, sitting low. Right, we're going to do 10 of those. Let's go. 1, keep the body up straight. 2, beautiful job. 3, nice. 4, keep pushing. 3, 5, we're working quadriceps, building shape in those legs. Getting rid of all that cellulite, all that fat. 3, 2, and 1. Taking it to another level. Now watch. 1, lift. 2, lift. Make sure you're not pulling those knees back. 4, you should feel the burn. 5, stay with me. 5, let's go. 4, come on ladies, you got this. 3, yes. 2, and 1. Beautiful job, shake it out. Beautiful job. Feeling the burn, guys? Shake it out, beautiful. Okay, now we're going to challenge a bit of your balance. Still working on the legs. I want you to watch what I'm going to do. So, when you actually stand with your feet slightly closer so you can get on the roof facing you. So you're going down, touching the floor, lifting high. Slowly, slowly. 2. I'll do it now to the side. Let's get ready to go. You ready? Don't think keep your chin parallel, nice and straight. Lean from there. Let's go. 1. Beautiful. Swap legs. 2. Are you with me? Good. 3. Challenging that balance. Walking into the back of the legs. Stretching through. If you can't keep your hands straight, your legs straight, you may bend your knees slightly. 4. Keep moving. Squeeze into those lungs as you go in. Really working into the quads here. 6. 4 more ladies. 4 more. Just 4 more. 4. Squeeze into the glutes. 3. Let's go. Beautiful job. 2 more. 2. Get ready and 1. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful job. Grab yourself a sip of water. Let's have a quick break here. Fantastic. Now, grab yourself a chair. Right here. We're going to be working on those little back rings that us ladies are always stressing about. See the little back rings? Not so good. Okay, so that's what we're working on. And we're working on this little back area. So we're going to be doing tricep lifts. You can use a bench or chair, right? So as you're sitting on the chair, I want you to get those hands. I don't want your bum over here. I want it right here, close. You notice my knees are 90 degrees to my ankles. When you do your dips, I want you to dip as low as you can go there. Are we ready? Is everybody got their chair? Let's go. Ready and 1. Up. 2. Come on, push. 3. Good job. 4. Nice. 5. Good. 6. Good. 7. Lovely. You should feel the burn. 8. Yes. 9. Good job. And 10. Excellent. Straight from here, we're going back to those legs. So sitting up here, pushing up, squeezing into the glutes, and down. Up, squeezing into those glutes, and down. Up, squeeze. 4. Working into glutes now. We're working with glutes. I want you to squeeze. Focusing on those glutes. Nice work. Keep pushing. Nice. Working into those hip flexors. And 3 more. 3. Good. 2. Good. 1. Excellent. Go back to tricep dips. So sit on the edge of your chair. Let's go. Stay with me. Stay with me. Remember, if you are stronger, you can pull your legs out straight and do there. But for us beginners and post-op, you get closer to the chair. Let's go. 1. 2. Come on, let's get rid of that little bit of back fat just underneath our braziers. 4. Feel that burn. Feel that burn. 5 to go. 5. Beautiful. 4. job. Right. Okay. What I want you to do is breathe in and out into cool down. Why do we need cool down, ladies? Bring that body back, bring that core temperature back to pre-existing workout. And just allowing our muscle soreness. Now we're going to add the legs in, breathe in and out, and in and out, and in to more. Let's start stretching out those quadriceps. So bring that inside. What you want to do is just push it up into the heel, into the glutes here. Really feeling the pull through there. You can stand with your arm out. 2, hold it. Find your core, find your balance. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Lovely job. How's everybody feeling? Are we feeling good? Nice little workout. Get that body moving. Get that core up. Get that cardio. So we've got a little bit of cardio in. We've got a little bit of strength. And we just covered functional fitness today. Beautiful job, ladies. Okay. We're going to stretch out at the back. So all I want you to do is in and down. Flatten the back here. I want you to feel it pushing down. You have to bend your legs, it's absolutely fine. I don't have a problem as long as you feel that stretch in the back here. Then I want you to lay down and release the leg pressure. Shake your neck and breathe. In and out. Beautiful job. In and out. And come up. Beautiful job. Let's stretch out these triceps that we worked. So we're going to pull that back here. Breathe in. And out, breathe in, and out, swap, other side, breathe in, and out, and in, and out, beautiful job. Pull it up this way, and hold it, take 3 deep breaths in, and out, beautiful job today, in, and out. Swap sides. Hope everybody's feeling good. Let's call this our Workout Wednesday. Breathe in and out, and in and out. Now all I want you to do is open up and stretch out the side. Just breathe in through the side here. Other side. Amazing, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout today. Called Functional Fitness, just covering a couple of exercises, and remember I said everything is hard before it gets easier. What I need you to do is to make sure that you have lots of water during this while you're working out. Let's get these beach bodies ready, and don't forget to like, subscribe, because we will have Workout Wednesday every single week. So I'll see you guys next week for our next workout.